Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is positive thinking. You're in the right place, right time, and Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ wants to send an abundance of blessings your way, but the only way it can reach you, the rules of the universe is our bodies are magnets. What we think is what we want to receive. So positive thinking comes positive blessings, breakthroughs, manifestations. Your prayers will be answered. Negative thinking means we need tests, obstacles. We need more. We need more lessons where we're going to be taught through those lessons and obstacles why we need to let go of those negative feelings and why they're not important. So hone in and zone in on your positive thinking so a flood of blessings can come your way this new season. My life is full of small patches of light. You may be surrounded by darkness, but there are gifts that are around you. Some of your wants, some of your likes, things that you've been working for. There are spots of light that are showing production and showing growth. I want you to just zone in on those things and forget about the darkness. Do not give it any attention, only to the positive things. And in no time, as the season changes and transforms, those small specks of light will be as bright as the sun, and the darkness will be just a memory. I direct my thoughts so that which brings me well-being. I place what is waiting for me in the hands of the universe. Little by little, the light awakens in my being and I find serenity. As you forget and not give attention to the negative energy, you expel it. You give and free up more space for positive energy, light, love, and blessings to fill its place. Therefore, life becomes living, not surviving. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.